Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Mike back with another video with the good old Betsy. And let's just say we bring it back to the roots, boys. You can see where we're at. We're in the shed. Ooh, let's dump some water down real quick. Oh, yeah. So, yeah, we're in the shed today, boys. We're going to bring it back to the roots today. I got some goodies for Betsy. So, let's just start pulling some stuff out for the boys. Let's we'll start in the front, boys. So, if you guys don't remember, back in September, I got taken off the road on Betsy. Okay, there's some battle wounds left over still, and there's still a couple things I want to change. So, you see these huge floppy clutch lever and this brake. We don't want that no more. So, we upgrade. Okay, this no ad, free advertisement right here. TST. I have their blinkers, I got their tail light, now I have their clutch levers. I love them. I love them. I love them. So, this is clutch and brake lever. So we got a nice black, fully adjustable shorty TST with the red lever to adjust it. Loving it. I'm loving this. And then, so, you know, figured if we're going to start with the front end, let's do a little bit back here. And I don't know if you guys know this, but I'm a short king, okay? 5'7", not the tallest guy in the world. So I can flat foot on one side, the other side's tippy toeing. I don't think that's the way it should be. So your boy got a lowering kit. So let's see. Ooh, nice. Okay, so this is a part of the lowering kit. This over here is going to be the link. This is the lowering link. I didn't open everything yet, but if you guys can see, it says CBR on it. Pretty cool. So this is a fully adjustable lowering link. So I can adjust it up to, I think, 3 inches if I want to drop it. And then we got this last box. And this last box, if you could put 2 and 2 together, this is a fully adjustable kickstand. Fully adjustable kickstand. This is an Amazon special, so that's the brand. I don't know. Very good quality, but of course, if you're gonna drop and lower your bike, you're gonna need a kickstand because then it's just not gonna be right. It's just not gonna be right. So we had to get the kickstand as well. But good news, bad news, guys. We're not gonna lower the bike today. I was going to lower the bike today, but then I remembered I have to take fairings off on the right side, and it'd be pointless to take the fairings off to lower the bike just for me to change the oil next week because I'm coming up on my oil change miles. So I figured next week's video, we'll do a nice oil change, we'll rip off the fairing, and we'll drop this bike down and make her lower. But in this video, we're gonna do levers, okay? Alright guys, let's get the cookie crumbling here, you know? So first things first, I know I have to loosen out this clutch. That's what they say. You gotta loosen out this clutch, and then I have to get that bolt out. Alrighty, boys. So, from what I've seen online, that's what they told me so far. They say you gotta loosen out that clutch nut, bring the clutch out to loosen the cable, and then this should just pop right out. Just like that. Old clutch. Oh, bye. Okay? Probably should have wore some gloves for this, but that seems pretty self-explanatory. Not a very difficult procedure. So we're gonna go in here, left clutch. So it's gonna be this lever. So they said since it's an adjustable, they say to bring it out the farthest away from your hand. That's what they say. I don't know. And then pretty much I'm just plopping that back into place. Boom. And boom. Just like that. So we're going to just line that back up. Boom. I got to figure out why I have so much rattle in between. Let me see if I have a spacer. Hold on one moment, guys. So, I forgot to start the video back up, but I had to smush a washer in between the bracket and the lever. I got it in, and now there's literally no wobble to it. So, that means I can start threading this bolt through. Once the head of the bolt starts popping out on the bottom of the bracket, I like to give it just enough room to catch the nut, and then I will start threading the nut on. I'm also not a motorcycle mechanic, so I'm just telling you how I do things, guys. But, you know, that's just the way that I like to do it. If you can't tell, I've probably taken this off one too many times. Nice. Now we're good to tighten. So greasy, though. Just so greasy. Okay. It really is not wobbly at all. So now I'm going to back this cable back out. Okay. And that, my friend, is a motherfreaking lever right there. Look at that. Such a difference. Alright, so let's move on to the next one. Alright, boys. We're going to jump into the brake. Okay. That's loose. Pop that out. And this should thread out. Where is my new levers? There they are. Okay. So I got that out. I got that out. And this should just slide right out, guys. Just like that. So, brakes out. I'll open up this box, clean off my hands before I touch the new ones. Okay. And then I don't even think I have to put a spacer in. This one looks like it is exact size. Okay, guys. I think we got it. Start threading this through. I don't want to lose this spot. Oh, yes. There we go. Bring that down as far as that goes. Grab the nut. It's a 10 mil. Under here. Start tightening that baby. Right. Just like that, boys. Okay, give me 2 seconds. Yes, sir. Would you look at that? Would you just look at it? She's clicky. And then you got Mrs. Clutchy Wutchy. Which, yeah, we don't want it that close. I'm gonna go right there. Oh, beautiful. Yes, sir, boy. So, first time ever doing a clutch and a brake lever, but is actually pretty dang simple. I cannot be upset with that. So, we got new levers on Betsy. Next, Betsy's gonna need some grips. I'm still trying to buy this brake bracket, the bracket for the brake fluid. Then I have to replace my case cover, and then other than that, she's ready to rip. I'm gonna take these off. I want to find a bracket to cover this brake reservoir, just like this, just something to keep it protected, because once I take this off, that protection will be gone. So I do want to get rid of those, say bye-bye to those, and I'm thinking about maybe making these gold or black. Worry about that later on down the road. But look at that, guys. We're back. We came back to the roots. We got some levers installed on the bike. Next week we're gonna lower her, but yeah, pretty excited. So you guys know you're gonna come take a ride with me. We'll test out these new levers and I'll just let you guys know how much I like them or dislike them. Alright boys, well, I'd say I gave these levers a good 10-15 minutes, and can I just tell you guys, these things are the best thing I've ever invested in. Oh my god, dude, they're so nice. I feel like I'm so much quicker with the levers now. They're so much better. I'll tell you what, guys, I don't understand what the heck was just going on there, but that was interesting. The car was just gutted in the driveway. But levers definitely make the ride feel so much better. Guys, think about it, your hands are touching the levers 24/7. Wow, these levers make me ride like an ass. Oh, I'm gonna have to put the stock levers back on. Whoops! What did I do? Alright guys, we're gonna close the video out here. You know, I've come to the conclusion that I need to get a PC. I'm editing everything on a MacBook and it can't compute no more. I can only post up to 15-minute videos and I want to put out longer videos for you guys. So I'm going to work on that in the future just so you guys know. But we're going to close this out here. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and you know I will see you guys in the next one.